Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. This is a video on two hotkeys, Shift A and Shift P. If you go to Windows, Dockers, and Align and Distribute, you can surely align these evenly spaced out. But if you notice that bottom one jumped up, so it all depends. So if you wanted them spaced out and you want this, well, let's just do this. Well, it's going to move them anyway, but it's going to space them out. So I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to hit Shift A. It did not move the bottom and the top one. It equally spaced them out. So that's your vertical. Here's your horizontal. Shift P, and it spaced them out equally. I don't care how far apart you are. So I move that one, and I'm actually going to hit T, like in Tom, to put on top. Select them all, and hit Shift P, and it spaced them out equally. Two pretty cool hotkeys. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.